In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a buy one, get one free discount on your Shopify store. This powerful marketing strategy not only encourages customers to purchase more products, but also allows you to move inventory and increase customer satisfaction. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to create this engaging deal within Shopify. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to the home page of your store. This is your main hub where you can access all the features Shopify has to offer. Once you're in, you're going to look for the Discounts tab located on the left side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Discounts are a great way to increase sales and provide value to your customers, and thankfully Shopify makes it easy to create and manage them. Once you've clicked on the Discounts tab, you'll see an option that says Create Discount. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can start customizing your discount settings. Here, you'll want to focus on discounting specific products or collections. Think about which products will benefit most from a buy one, get one free offer. It might be items that are currently overstocked, or perhaps complementary goods that naturally pair together. Select the option to discount specific products or collections. Next, you'll select Automatic Discount on the page. By setting up an automatic discount, you ensure that the deal is applied seamlessly to the customer's cart, eliminating any extra steps they might need to take. This provides a smooth shopping experience and can help increase the conversion rate. Now, you'll set up the terms for your deal under the Customer Buys section. This is where Shopify allows you to define the criteria that must be met for the discount to activate. You can specify that a customer must buy a certain number of items from a particular collection or specific products. It's essential to set this up according to your sales strategy, as this will determine how the deal is triggered. With the conditions for purchase in place, move on to the Customer Gets section. Here you define what the customer will receive once they have met the purchase conditions. Since we're setting up a buy one, get one free discount, you'll configure this section to make the additional item free of charge. This is the part of the setup that showcases the value of the deal to customers and can really entice them to purchase. And that's it! By following these steps, you've set up a buy one, get one free discount in Shopify. Remember to review everything to ensure accuracy. Don't forget to consider adding a catchy banner or announcement on your store's homepage to promote this exciting offer. Happy selling!